So at Restoration One, we rely on KnowHow to be the one centralized source of truth in that digital repository for our team and all of our franchisees to utilize. What that really looks like in practice is not just for our entire network to adopt it for their teams, utilize it as they're hiring on their team members and continuing that education and making sure that they're running a really smooth business. But also, as we bring on new franchisees, it's a fantastic tool for our R1 University program. And as they get onboarded and really start off their business strong on a strong foot, very, very important, because as you can think back to whether you start a new job or even back to school, having the knowledge easily accessible is incredibly important and can make or break your experience. So we are very excited because it has been a game changer for our existing franchisees, and then even more so for our new franchisees, for them to feel incredibly knowledgeable and supported from day one.